Guys, let me quickly tell you how Expressvpn keeps you safe. Guys, if you go over to their website right now, you'll see the independent security audits, okay? Where it shows you that they're committed to commissioning in-depth third-party audits. It's all online, okay? You don't need to worry because it's absolutely documented. Every single audit all the way through. You can see the dates, October, September, August, July, all the way through, okay? So you never need to worry about their security. Now, security at Expressvpn is in 4 strategies, okay? Number 1, making systems difficult to compromise. Number 2, minimizing potential damages. Number 3, minimizing the time of compromises. And number 4, validating your security controls. Other ways it protects you, just go into the settings on the actual app, okay? If you go to preferences, you will see on the protocols having the automatic recommender, so it'll protect you the best way that it can. Also, what I want to show you is if you go across the settings, you'll see all the different ones. Do your own research up at the top, okay? When you get into the website, do your research through the security side, but it does have the kill switch as well and all the protocols. So guys, it keeps you super safe when using Expressvpn. Make sure to click that link down below to get the best deal for Expressvpn and stay super safe. What I want you to do is like and follow for more and subscribe. I'll see you next time.